What is up, people? Today we are playing Call of Duty Mobile. Alright, let's see if we can do a ranked match. No, we're still in off series. Please stay tuned. Alright. Let's see if we can get into a multiplayer match. Alright, yes we can. Alright, can we get into a standoff match? Let's try it. Can we get into a match? Let's see. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Dang. Took that long. Find a match. Yay. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Right. Go standoff. Kill confirm. I'm gonna go with this. Let's go with a little Aztec, shall we? Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna do kill confirmed. Alright. Do 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 do. That guy got scared. Oh. Got him. Okay, I got scared too, man. I got scared too. Sentry gun ready to deploy, man. Sentry gun deployed. I deployed a sentry gun. Centurion gun. That's what I deployed, a Centurion gun. I got this guy. I got Tango. Tango is down, people. Tango is down. Let's go this way. Let's make a loopy-loop. Got him. Alright. Let's go. Let's do this. Kill confirmed. Oh, look at all these dog tags, man. Don't mind if I do. Oh. Owie. Owie, that hurt. Owie. Oh, I got that guy. I got that guy. Oh, I probably scared that guy to shoot me. Yep. Oh, I got that guy. Kill confirmed. We're 14-2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. I got that guy. Oh, and I blew up with a car. Blew myself up with a car. Sentry gun is deployed. Sentry gun is deployed. Well, he killed me, so I'm gonna have to go get him now. Go get him. Got him. You don't scare. I ain't scared of no ghost. I ain't scared of no ghost. I got him. Boom. Yes, sirree. Whoa. 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 Got that guy, got that guy, and got that guy. Oh, but a couple people blew up over here, so what we're gonna do is set sentry over here, right here, boom. So nobody can come through there and stop. Oh. Flame knot is ready. He says burn it down. Oh, but I didn't take that long. Don't give me a chance. Ooh. The Big Lebowski, where's the Big Lebowski? Where's he at? Oh, there's one. Ooh. He got me with a diggity dog. I destroyed the enemy's UAV. We got 2 more people. We're still in the lead, guys. Come on, we got this. We got this. We got this. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. We got this. We got this. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. We got this. We got this. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? There's somebody over here too. Oh, smack. Oh, popcorn. Objective almost complete. Don't worry, guys. I got you. Guys. You got it. If you get shot, it'll be... Yeah. Yeah. Let's go some more haunted. Let's go somewhere spooky. Cause I ain't scared of no ghosts. Count with me. 1. 1. Ha 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 ha. 2. Ha ha ha. Count with me. We almost win. We almost win. We need about 1 more. There's a dog after me. Where is it coming from? Oh, right there. Oh. Got him. Got him. Yes. Got him. Terran MVP. Is that me? That can't be me. That can't be me. Oh, it's my sword play. Ooh, there's a little bit of my sword play that helps. But a little bit of my aiming action. Triple kill. That popcorn was nice earlier. Y'all like that popcorn? That popcorn was nice. Oh, wow. I got a... Dang, I carried the team in a good way. My score is 5,110. The second place is 1,000. Okay, oh, never mind. It just went away. But they did good. They did very, very good. So everybody gets a thumbs up. I got 31 kills. Wow. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Very good job. Yeah.
Whoa.
Very good job, guys.
Let's go.
Well, that was my team, and that's my play. So, thank y'all for watching. Have a nice day!